simplification. Okay, this is the topic. Only 5th class this year introduced. What is the simplification? Before that, right, children, till now we are discussing about the large numbers, additions, subtraction, multiplications and divisions. Okay, which ones? Large numbers over, the next one addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Next topic is fractions, also completed recently. Okay, but leave the fractions topic. Now only we are discussing about the 4 topics. One is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Till now we are discussing about the all single. Addition separate chapter is there, subtraction separate chapter is there, multiplication and division also separate chapters are there. Okay, now this, seeing that we will conclusion we will do if addition, subtraction. So if addition means 3 terms, 4 terms, 4 numbers, if we will give also, we will add it, we will finding the last the one sum. Then difference, subtraction means only 2 numbers we are taking, multiplication also 2 numbers with the 3-digit and 4-digit numbers, division also 1. But in the simplification means what? All the 4 operation symbols. What are the 4 operation symbols? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the 4 operation symbols. If he will give one sum in one question, is the operation symbols if he will give introducing in between the numerical numbers in one question, how to solve the equation, how to solve the question, how to solve the given sum. Okay, means we have to all these using the 4 operation symbol, finding the last it will be single numerical number. We have to find one single numerical number we will get. This is the method we will say simplification. Means what? Big it will be, he will give question big. Answer should be simply one term only. Short, we will make it here short. Simplification. We will say that is the simplification. Simplification method it will be algebraic terms also is there. Algebraic terms is not introduced in this 5th class. Next class this it will be, that is the 6th class. Now only numerical number simplification. Okay, simplification of numerical expressions. Okay, suppose for example 60 minus 30, 60 minus 30 is divided by 6 into 4 plus 1. See children, just now I told all 4 operation symbols together. All the 4 operation symbols together. Is there a answer? Addition is there, subtraction is there, multiplication is there, division is there. All are in one sum only. All are in one sum only. How to do this means? Till now we didn't get these like these questions. If you will give addition directly, subtraction directly, multiplication directly, division also directly. How to do? See children, and small the thing it will be. First we have to say, we have to solution we will do. First we are applying division part. What we are applying? First we have to apply division part. Which is the division part? This one we have to take division part. What is the division part? 30 is divided by 60. What is the division part? 30 is divided by 60. Then we can do this one first. First we can do this one. What is that? 30 is divided by 60. 6 5s are 30. Answer how much we got here? 5. This box place, what we have to write here coefficient? 5 we have to write. In the box place, what we have to write? 5. Okay, write 5. See here, 60 minus, this place we have to write 5. Minus 5 into 4 plus 1. This second set, first step, second set, what it will be? In the second step, we solved one, remove the division symbol, completed. Over. Division. Next one it will be what? Multiplication. Next we can see the multiplication part. First part is division part. Next should be we have to see multiplication part. In the multiplication part, see which one multiplications are there in that box? 5 and 4. 5 4s are how much? Right, 5 4s are 20. It will be see here 60 minus 20 plus 1. 60 minus 20 plus 1. Okay, children. Next, after only two symbols are there. We eliminated multiplication. Over. We apply the symbol. Completed. Next, which one is there? Addition is there. Subtraction is there. Addition is there. Subtraction. Only two are there. How to do means? Right. Which ones? First we have to add the addition symbol. See, 60 is before symbol is not there. 60 before symbol is not there. Means we have to say that is having in front of 60 plus symbol. We will consider as plus symbol. What it will be, children? In front of 60 plus we have to consider as addition symbol. So it will be here plus 60 is there, plus 1 is there. Add it both. What we are doing now? Adding which numerical numbers are having addition symbol. Which numerical numbers are having plus symbol, those we are taking. Which one here? 60 is there, here plus 3. 60 plus 1, 61. Make it here 61 minus 20. Now we get 61 minus 20 to subtraction. Only two numbers are there. One addition is there, one subtraction is there. That's it. Only two now numerical numbers are there. 61 minus 20, how much it will be? Right, 41. See, children, in this how many numerical terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numerical terms are there using the 4 operation symbols. How many are there? 4 operation symbols, 5 numerical terms are there. Okay, after applying every operation symbol, first we applied division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. First which one we applied? Division. After that multiplication, addition, subtraction we applied. First division, multiplication, addition and subtraction we applied. The last finally single one numerical number came. What is that? 41. Which numerical number came? That is only one term. This method we will say is a simplification. What we are saying, this one is simplification. Simplification. Okay, children, observe this. First we are applying division. Next we are applying multiplication. Next we are applying addition. Next we are applied subtraction. First in the simplification sum, first we applied division. Second we applied multiplication. Third we applied addition. Last we applied subtraction. All together read once. All together read once. Demas. What it will be? DMAS, not DMART. DMAS. If you are remember this in the simplification, if you remember this, you will get easily. What is that one? DMAS. DMAS means what? First division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. All these methods we will apply in the question. In the simplifications, easily you will get the answer. Okay, children. First division. Division first. Division first. What is that? D. Next, multiplication. Multiplication second. Multiplication second. Next, addition third. Addition is third. Next, last one is subtraction. Last, what is that? Fourth one. This is the way method of applying DMAS. Okay, children. See, using this all, you can practice more sums. Next video also I will explain about the BODMAS. One more formula also is there. BODMAS. DMAS, BODMAS. DMAS sums also you I will explain examples I will give in the next video, and more BODMAS. Next topic it will be BODMAS also I will explain. Okay, children. Thank you.